So no.
No.
Hell no.
Hey!
No.
He is.
I was waiting for that one.
No,
wait, let me ask this. After your girl's been entangled with someone else, you're gonna continue dating them?
Yeah, I feel, you know what?
Guys, let's take out the
Wait.
break. Let's remove the break.
It's too much of a, I don't want to say offense, but it's like the act itself is just too much.
Disrespectful.
Yeah, no, it's not even disrespectful. It's like, it's a lot. It's a lot.
Yeah, if she broke up with me, it's fine.
Let's say
Or she got
we
entangled.
dating,
No.
but you're entangled with someone else and I find out. Almost like
Yeah.
cheating.
I've been with you for 5 years. That means you and I have a relationship, meaning you respect me. If in 5 years you're going to cheat on me, that means you don't respect me. You're basically throwing away all our 5 years for someone you just met. That's disrespecting me, so I wouldn't take you back.
No, but then that's a slip up. Like, you know, it's a moment of weakness.
I
It's
hear
a
what you're
moment
saying.
of weakness.
No,
and
I get
he's
what you're
like,
saying,
he got
though.
up, he dust himself, and he's like, okay, no, we can
I'm
continue.
serious now.
Yeah.
I'm
But
begging
then
you.
He's like, no ways.
Listen,
It can
you
be.
learn from your mistakes.
Any man can fall into weakness, bro. And I honestly think, like, if you do, they need to be forgiven. Even women.
It doesn't matter. You're cheating.
So would you
So
forgive?
you'll break
though?
up.
Would you forgive or?
Come on, I've forgiven, bro.
Forgive.
I've been cheated on twice, and I said, listen, I'm still here for you. So I know I would forgive.
I'm not that type of guy.
And I'm not together anymore.
What
It's a lot. Yo.
How guys cheat and how women cheat are two totally different
Yeah.
things. Guys cheat for physical stuff. Like, okay, I see that I want to taste. Sharp, grand, let's go. Ne? A woman, that's calculated. It's emotional. So if she's cheating on you for 2 weeks, it's probably not 2 weeks.
And guys just cheat just
Because they
just
lusting over
because
a girl.
a girl, exactly.
Oh,
With us, it's more of like an emotional attachment type of thing for us to like, yeah, want to cheat. That's why men are trash.
It's been happening.
When guys feel like that.
It's been
We don't
happening.
calculate our shit.
Y'all can go to a club now and see a hand and you're like, okay, today I know I'm in a relationship, but I'm gonna.
Yeah.
I think in every relationship, there comes a time where things get so tense that you might need to take a breather from one another.
If you agree that you can see other
Yes,
people,
there needs to be a discussion. There needs to be a discussion. Like if you guys are separated and you're like, yes, we're on a break, then you discuss what can we do on the break, what can't we do.
You may be suffocating, and then what must happen? I must die. I must die.
Then let's just take things slow. Then why?
That's the
take a
break.
It's not a break.
The break is I'm packing my bags. I'm just quickly going.
You're going away.
Away from you.
Why?
Break. Break. It's
No,
important.
I don't think.